Yo guys, what's up? Good afternoon. Welcome back to JR14. I'm enjoying my Saturday afternoon. Just got my car inspected. We're good to go for another year here in New York City with the Project Mark 7. This video is about to be awesome. Because why? We're doing another wheel reveal with Project Mark 7. You guys, today. Like you guys are going to see it in this video. But before I get started with that video, I just got to give a shout out to a number of different people. First of all, got a shout out to my man Roscoe Sparkz. My man does, when it comes to that camera, this dude is top notch. When it comes to them cinematics, beauty shots, top notch. Quality's top notch. Execution of the videos top notch. Shout out to my boy Roscoe Sparkz for that. You do good work and I appreciate everything that you've done for me thus far. Second shout out goes to my boy Brett and the whole team over there at the custom shop. You guys are amazing as always. You guys treat me like family. I've been going to you guys for years to get stuff done, and this time's no exception for the the wheel install and the tire installation on the car. Again, you guys do amazing work. I appreciate that, and I appreciate the love and support from you guys on your side as well. I know that you guys definitely show me some love, and I'm showing you guys some love too, because you guys definitely do some amazing work. Also, shout out to Tire Streets on Instagram. We actually got some Accelera 651 Sports on the car. Here's a link. I'm gonna put all the links for everything on the bottom in the description below, so you'll be able to see everything. Tire Streets with an S at the end on Instagram. Accelera 651 tires that are on this car right now. And last but not least, shout out to the people over at Region 5 Wheels for two reasons. One, you got Project Mark 7 some new shoes. Them shoes looking right. Oh, them shoes are definitely looking right. And also for the fact that you guys come out with these crazy designs. So you got a lot of people have been asking me like, yo, let me see the wheels. Let's see the wheels. Oh my God, I want to see the wheels. You're not showing me the wheels. The anticipation. I want to see these wheels. I got you. We're gonna do this right now. But I just wanted to give a shout out to those people, because you know what? And shout out to every single one of you. We're almost at 7,300 subscribers. I need to get to 10K by the end of the year. I'm trying to get there before the year, reaching goals, hashtag goals. So I need you guys, if you guys are watching this video, have not seen other content yet, I need you to look at the other content. I need you to like, share, and subscribe this video. And I also need you guys to do this. Smash that subscribe button for JR14 and hit that notification bell and support the channel. All right, guys, so you know what? I'm going to stop talking right now. We're definitely going to get into this video right now. So without further ado, guys, here's the new wheel reveal of Project Mark 7. Hope you guys enjoy.